Every aspect of a Peli case is built to last. There may come a time, however, when certain items, like a latch, need to be replaced. Each latch is held in with stainless steel pins, and just like the case, they are built to stay in there for life, so there's a certain knack to removing them. Most latches have pins that are visible from both sides. However, the 1200, 1300 and 50/50 cases have pins with only one side visible. As there are two different types of latches, there are two slightly different ways to replace them. Just follow these easy steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming the ultimate latch master. Starting with the latch closed, use a flathead punch and a hammer to hit the head of the latch pin with force. If you don't have a flathead punch to hand, a small Phillips head screwdriver or even the new replacement pin will work just as well. If your latch pin has two visible sides, repeat this again and again and again until the serrated end of the pin pops out at the opposite side of the latch. Use pliers and a hammer to remove the pin from the latch rib and lift off the old latch. If your latch pin only has one side visible, hammer until the pin is visible at the opposite side, but not sticking out. Lift the latch and pull away from the latch rib to remove. Place the new latch onto the lid and insert the latch pin smooth end first. Use the pliers and hammer to drive the pin until it rests flush with the surface of the latch rib. Your case should now be restored back to its former glory, and to top it off, you've got yourself a fancy new title. Congratulations, Latch Master!